Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the Earth's magnetism. Say, what is the Earth magnetism? We know that if we suspend a bar magnet freely in air, it rests in north-south direction. It rests in north-south direction. The end tip of the bar magnet, which is pointed towards the north side of the earth, is called north pole, and end tip which is points towards the south of the earth is called south pole. Means magnetic needle or bar magnet suspended freely in air, it aligns itself along the geographic ENS direction, and if it has freedom to rotate about horizontal axis, it inclines with the angle with horizontal in the vertical ENS plane. From this we conclude that there is some magnetic field present everywhere on the surface of the earth, and this is called the earth's magnetic field, and this phenomena it is called terrestrial magnetism. In order to understand this magnetism of the earth or terrestrial magnetism, we have to study some important terms related to this. Let us consider this pair represents our earth. Say this is the north pole and this is the south pole, and the line passing through the north pole and south pole, it is known as the axis of rotation of the earth. This is the geographical south pole, this is the geographical north pole, and line passing through these two poles, it is known as the earth's axis of rotation. But when we suspend a magnetic needle or bar magnet, it shows such type of direction. It means that the earth behaves like a magnet, or it behaves like a sphere having a bar magnet inside it, having south pole near the north pole of the magnet and north pole near the south pole of the magnet. And this point on the surface of the earth is known as the geo- geomet- geomagnetic north pole. It is known as the geomagnetic north pole, and this pole it is known as the geomagnetic south pole. And the line passing through these two poles, it is the magnetic axis. It is known as the magnetic axis. It is denoted by M dash is the magnetic axis, R dash it is the axis of the earth about which earth rotates. Next is magnetic equator. A great circle in a plane perpendicular to the magnetic axis. A great circle in the plane, great circle in the plane perpendicular to the magnetic axis is called magnetic equatorial circle, or it is known as the magnetic equator. It is called magnetic equator. Say a plane passing through this line it is known as the circle passing through this line, it is called as a magnetic equator. Next term is geographic meridian. What is the geographic meridian? A plane perpendicular to the surface of the earth. Plane perpendicular to the surface of the earth. A plane perpendicular to the surface of the earth. Say this is the plane. Say this is the magnetic axis. Uh, geographical axis, and a plane passing through the geographical axis and perpendicular to the surface of the earth. Perpendicular to the surface of the earth is called geographic meridian. This is known as the geographic meridian. And a plane perpendicular to the surface of the earth and passing through the magnetic axis. अगर प्लेन ऐसा इसमें पास हो रहा है तो ये प्लेन को मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन बोलना है. अ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू द मैग्नेटिक एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ is called magnetic meridian, and a plane passing through the geographic axis is called geographic meridian. And the angle made by these two planes, the angle made by these two planes is called angle of say this is the magnetic meridian. This plane represents the magnetic meridian, and this plane represents geographic meridian. Angle made by these two planes, it is known as the magnetic declination. It is known as the magnetic declination. Now second term is magnetic inclination or angle of dip. If we place a magnetic needle on the surface of the earth, it will be rests along this direction. It is not exactly horizontal or not parallel to the surface of the earth. Say this is the horizontal, and this magnetic needle, compass needle, will be like this. This indicates that this is the direction of magnetic field of the earth. Angle made by this direction of magnetic field of the earth with the horizontal, it is known as the magnetic inclination of angle of dip. Angle of dip. Thank you.